everyone, this is Mrs. Kramer. I'm the librarian at our Escondido High School library, and today I wanted to show you how to find books in our database called Destiny Discover, okay? So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this domain right here. It's euhsd.follettdestiny.com. This is the database we use for all of our library collection. This is going to bring you to a list of all the high schools that we have in our district, okay? But since we're at Escondido High School, we're going to click on Escondido High School. This is going to bring you to our main library's homepage. On this page, you will find our library walk-up hours, the phone number for our circulation desk. It lists our library staff. I'm Ms. Kramer. This is our phone number. This is my direct phone number and my email. And our other librarian is Ms. Barrett. This is her phone number and her email. It also lists our Instagram and Twitter accounts, and it also shows you how to go to our main library page. So what I want you to do now is click on Catalog. This is our main library search page. You can still search in this area, this field, for you can search by author name, you could search by title, you can search by a keyword, a subject, or a series. So if you already know information, you can go ahead and type it in here and hit enter. And this will bring up, this is a way to search for books. What I wanted to show you today though is Destiny Discover. This is a more visual book search that I think that middle and high school age students will like better, and it gives more information about the books. So what I'm going to have you do is right click on Destiny Discover, click Open Link in New Tab, and then you click on Destiny Discover. This is going to bring you to the Destiny Discover homepage. There's a lot of ways that you can search for books in here. One of them that pops up is called Recently Added Books. These are books that have all been added to our library collection within the last few weeks. If you wanted to check out Soul of Stars, you could click on this title. This is going to bring you to a more detailed page about that book, and it's going to give you a little blurb or a paragraph about what the book is about, and then you can decide if you really want to check that book out or not. Let's close that. The other way to find books in this area is to go by genre or type of book. So I'm going to click on Fantasy. This is going to bring up over 200 books that we have in our library collection. These are all categorized as fantasy. So if you found something in the fantasy category and you wanted to find out more about it, you would click on the title. And this is going to give you more information again about the book, and you could see if you'd really want to check it out. If you do want to check out a book, the way that you would do that for now is if you found a book, let's say you wanted to get The Kingdom, and you read the little blurb or the paragraph about it, you said, yeah, that's the book for me, I want to check it out. So what you would do, go back to your library search tab, click on Home. And again, this shows you our contact information. There's 3 phone numbers for the library, and there's 2 emails for the library, okay? So you were interested in checking out The Kingdom by Jess Rothenberg. So you would go back over here to this tab, and you can call any of these 3 phone numbers, and you can email myself, Mrs. Kramer, or you can email Ms. Barrett. And all you have to do is let us know which book you would like to check out, and what we'll do is we will pull it from our shelves and hold it for you, and you can come up to the library checkout windows and check it out. There is a limit on 8 books at a time right now, and you can check out books for 3 weeks. So if you checked out 2 books, you would be able to keep those for 3 weeks, and then you would turn them back in at the library checkout windows. I hope this has helped you guys today, and we hope to see you check out some books in the library. Thank you.